Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Neema's Kitchen, and today we are going to prepare an easy and flavorful tomato chutney which goes well with dosa, puri, idlis and so on. So let's get started. Now to make this yummy tomato chutney, let's heat up a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Into this hot oil, let's add in 3 to 4 red chilies, 6 to 7 garlic and 1-inch piece of chopped ginger. Saute it for a while. Into this, let's drop in our chopped tomatoes. Here I've taken around 7 to 8 chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Add salt as per taste and leave it there to cook till our tomatoes are soft enough. It's already 8 minutes and our tomatoes are done. So let's turn off the flame and leave it aside to cool completely. Our tomato mixture has cooled down to room temperature. So to make a smooth paste, let's transfer this into a blender. Our paste is ready here. See how smooth it is. Now let's heat up a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of veg oil. Let's wait for the oil to be hot enough. Our oil is hot enough. Now let's drop in 1 teaspoon of mustard. Into this, I'm going to drop in 1 dry red chili and few chopped garlic. Saute it for a while and turn off the flame. Further, add in 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, half teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. If you are using Kashmiri red chili powder, then it will be great. Give it a good mix. And then pour in our tomato paste. Turn on the flame and give it a good mix. Cover and cook it for around 6 to 7 minutes. Before turning off the flame, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of tamarind juice. You can even use vinegar. Mix it up. And to balance the flavor, let's add 1 or 2 teaspoons of jaggery syrup. If you don't have jaggery, you can even add sugar. And finally, top it up with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And your tomato chutney is ready to serve. Wow, my mouth is watering. So I'm going to make dosas now. Would you love to join me? Then you guys are most welcome. By the way, don't fail to like and share my video with your friends and dear ones. Do take care.